Welcome! In front of me is a Lenovo TAB M8, and today I will show you how you can hard reset this device through settings. Now to get started, let's open up our settings application and then scroll all the way down to System, select Reset Options, delete all data, erase all data, and do so once again, and this will begin factory resetting our device. Now this process will take about 1 to 2 minutes to finish up, and once it's completed, we'll be presented with Android setup screen. So I'll be back once that is visible. And as you can see, the process is now finished, and you can set up your device however you want. Now, if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.